It's recording. It's like a lot of snow. You kind of, and you can kind of see the snowman all the way down there at the end.
It's actually kind of raining. Yeah, it's raining.
Well, hurry up then.
Alright. Jocelyn making a snow angel 31 years later.
31 years later. Let's do it.
It's wet, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Wait, you're supposed to do your feet too. There you go.
I'm wet.
Hey, look at the pretty angel. You want to go stand next to it? Before my iPad dies of wetness. Come closer. Crouch down. Jeez.